Healthy weight loss. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall well-being and reducing the risk of several chronic illnesses such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. However, the idea of weight loss can be daunting and confusing, with a myriad of fad diets and conflicting information available online. In this article, we will discuss the basics of healthy weight loss and the best practices to achieve it. Understand the basics of weight loss. Weight loss occurs when you burn more calories than you consume. 1 pound of body weight is equivalent to 3,500 calories. Therefore, to lose 1 pound per week, you need to create a calorie deficit of 3,500 calories. This can be achieved by reducing your daily caloric intake, increasing physical activity, or a combination of both. However, it is important to remember that weight loss is not a linear process and can vary depending on factors such as age, gender, genetics, and lifestyle habits. Therefore, it is important to set realistic goals and be patient with the process. Focus on nutrition. Nutrition plays a crucial role in healthy weight loss. It is essential to consume a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which help to keep you satiated and maintain energy levels. It is also important to avoid highly processed and sugary foods, as they are typically high in calories and low in nutritional value. These foods can also cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to cravings and overeating. Portion control. Portion control is another essential aspect of healthy weight loss. It is important to be mindful of the amount of food you are consuming, as consuming too many calories can hinder weight loss progress. One way to control portions is by using smaller plates, bowls, and cups. This can help you to eat less without feeling deprived. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for weight loss as it helps to flush out toxins, aid in digestion, and keep you feeling full. It is recommended to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, but individual needs may vary depending on factors such as activity level and climate. 3. Incorporate physical activity. Physical activity is an essential component of healthy weight loss. It not only helps to burn calories but also improves overall health and well-being. It is recommended to aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Strength training exercises such as lifting weights or resistance bands can also help to build muscle mass, which can increase metabolism and aid in weight loss. 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in weight loss as it affects hormone regulation, appetite, and energy levels. It is recommended to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. If you are struggling with sleep, try establishing a consistent bedtime routine, avoiding electronic devices before bed, and creating a relaxing sleep environment. 5. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your food and eating habits. This can help you to recognize hunger cues, avoid emotional eating, and make healthier food choices. Some tips for practicing mindful eating include eating slowly and savoring each bite, paying attention to the colors, textures, and flavors of your food, avoiding distractions such as electronic devices while eating, stopping when you feel satisfied, not overly full. 6. Seek support. Weight loss can be challenging, and it is important to have support along the way. This can include seeking the guidance of a registered dietitian or healthcare professional, joining a weight loss support group, or enlisting the help of a friend or family member. In conclusion, healthy weight loss is achievable by adopting a balanced approach that includes a focus on nutrition, portion control, hydration, exercise, sleep, stress management, and support. By setting realistic goals and making small changes to your lifestyle, you can achieve sustainable weight loss and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or fad diets, but rather making sustainable changes that will benefit your health in the long term. Please visit for more. ALPILEAN, Immortal Solution for Health and Fitness. Blogspot.
Please like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell. You can also check the description of this video for video-related health and fitness products which are available worldwide.